everyone. I'm Mary Jane Pelayo, and today I'm going to make an experiment using this material that we found at home. And this will demonstrate the whole process of digestion. Here are the materials needed in the experiment. Orange juice to represent acid in the stomach, water to represent saliva, crackers and bananas to represent for food, and a bowl to represent the body, paper cup with the hole in the bottom, and the ziplock to represent the stomach, and a stocking to represent small intestine, and a pair of scissors for the actual experiment. First, put the crackers and the banana inside the ziplock, which is the stomach, demonstrating the swallowing process. Then, we have the orange juice, which is the acid in our stomach, and the water, which is the saliva. We are going to smash it up, mimicking the action of the stomach, squashing the food together. This will take a couple of minutes to get a good consistency. Next, we will transfer the food to the small intestine. The stocking. Cut the corner of the bag and pour the food into the small intestine. As you squeeze the food through, all the nutrients we need for growth and energy will flow to the tray, which represents the body. The thing that the body can't digest will be left at the stocking. When the waste is solidified, transfer it into the cup with a hole in the bottom, which represent the large intestine. Use another cup to push the waste into the hole. This will make the act of going to the toilet. And that's it. Thank you!